In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete GoDaddy Airo website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your GoDaddy account to stop billing and remove the Airo website plan tied to your site. Before we start, a quick tip. If there's any content on your site you want to keep, like text, images, or settings, save a copy first. Canceling the plan can remove access to the site builder and the published site. Also, if you have a domain or email with GoDaddy, those are separate products and won't be deleted by canceling the Airo website plan. Let's get into it. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and head to your dashboard. In the top right corner, click the profile icon. This opens your account menu, which is the quickest path to your billing controls. From that menu, choose Renewals and Billing. Think of this as your central hub for everything you're paying for at GoDaddy: domains, websites, email, and more. We're going here because deleting an Airo website is really about canceling the active plan attached to it. On the Renewals and Billing page, find and click Manage Subscriptions. This view groups your subscriptions so you can make changes without digging through each product one by one. If you have a lot of products, you can scan by product names or use filters to narrow it down to website-related items. Next, locate and select the Airo website you want to remove. Double-check you've got the right one. Look for the site name or the domain it was connected to, if applicable. If you manage multiple sites or plans, taking a moment here helps you avoid canceling the wrong subscription. Once you've selected the correct site, click Cancel Plan. This is the action that ends billing for the Airo website and starts the removal process. Depending on your account, you might see a confirmation screen or a brief survey. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Keep in mind, cancellation typically takes effect at the end of your current billing period, so you may retain access until that date. Refunds vary by region and plan type, so review GoDaddy's refund policy if you're within an eligible window. That's it. To recap, you click the profile icon, go to Renewals and Billing, open Manage Subscriptions, select the correct Airo website, and click Cancel Plan. After that, monitor your email for any confirmation messages from GoDaddy and make sure any separate products, like your domain, remain active if you still need them. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to back up anything important before you finalize the cancellation.